Spring cleaning isn't just for your closet. Give your fridge and freezer some love too. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to expand your spring cleaning efforts and jazz up your mealtime madness by matching up fresh and frozen foods with shrimp scampi salad. To begin, peel a 16-ounce package of Fish Market Easy Peel and Deveined raw shrimp and remove the tails. Pat the shrimp dry with paper towels, then set aside. Step up your seafood game. The American Heart Association recommends eating 2 servings of seafood every week for a healthy heart. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of Gustara Vita olive oil in a large nonstick skillet over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of Hy-Vee unsalted butter until melted. Then, add half of a 12-ounce package of ready-to-use, fresh snipped green beans, plus 4 basket and bushel mini sweet peppers after seeding them and cutting them into small rings. Cook this for 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once that's done, add shrimp and 2 tablespoons of garlic butter shrimp scampi seasoning mix, and stir until the mixture is fully combined and the seasoning has dissolved, about 3 to 4 minutes, or until shrimp reaches 145 degrees. Then remove from heat, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and set the pan aside. In a large bowl, toss together to combine and coat 4 cups of tightly packed baby spinach and spring mix blend, and a 1/4 cup of Dog Patch Urban Gardens lemon garlic vinaigrette. Transfer the salad mixture to a large serving platter, top with the shrimp mixture, and sprinkle with a 1/3 cup of Soiree shaved Parmesan cheese. Serve with extra lemon wedges on the side. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. Get healthcare news, dietitian recommendations, plus exclusive offers. Sign up for our Hy-Vee Health 360 monthly newsletter at Hy-Vee.com.